Well, while the nation's farmers are busy harvesting the food that feeds the world, they don't always do the best of job of making healthy choices for themselves all the time. Nebraska Extension's Food in the Field program aims to reverse that trend. Extension educator Hannah Ginther joins us now with a cooking demonstration. And Hannah, thanks for joining us for this special harvest season report. We appreciate it. Now, before we get started, can you give us a little background, of course, on the Food in the Field program?
Yes, so Food in the Field started back in 2018, and I had the idea for the program after experiencing my first run of harvest. I'm actually not from an agricultural background, but I married into one, and to be honest, I was a little shocked when I saw how my husband's eating patterns changed during the season of harvest. A lot of his meals contained of one-handed candy bars, chips, convenience foods, and soda. And so Food in the Field really aims to serve farmers and their families and help them make healthy choices during the busy seasons of harvest, planting, and year-round.
So I understand you're going to do a little cooking for us today. What do you have in the plans?
Yes, so today we are going to be making egg cups, and I love this recipe because it is so simple, it's nutritious, and it's portable. So to get started, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to crack 6 eggs into a bowl here. And then to those eggs, I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of milk. And then I'm going to add half a cup of salt, or half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. And then I'm just going to add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of broccoli florets. Now I'm using broccoli florets today, but really you can use any vegetables that you have on hand or according to your preference. So Janet, if you were going to be making these egg cups, what vegetables would you use?
Well, I think broccoli is a great choice, but also onions and peppers are a lot of times my go-to for the breakfast mix.
Yum, that sounds amazing. And honestly, I've used a variety of different vegetables and you really can't go wrong. So what I'm gonna do now is I am just going to scoop this egg mixture into a non-stick muffin tin, and we're gonna bake these at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until that internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I actually have some that are already done that I'm gonna show you guys. And you can see what those look like here. And I've just paired them with a piece of fresh fruit for a complete balanced meal.
Well, it looks like a good grab-to-go kind of breakfast. So what other tips do you have, Hannah, as far as for busy farmers?
Well, it really is about all those small shifts towards a healthier eating pattern. So try including a piece of fresh fruit with your lunch, switching to whole wheat bread instead of white bread, or even just starting your day with a balanced breakfast instead of a candy bar.
Well, certainly good suggestions. Well, thank you very much for joining us with the cooking demonstration to boot. Always appreciated. University of Nebraska Lincoln Extension educator Hannah Ginther joining us, of course, on location. And to find the egg muffins recipe as well as other recipes and tips, just visit food.unl.edu/food in the field.